Sounds. How's it, bro? How's it, Kellen, Gabriel? All good, bro. Nkulu. How's it, I'm gonna do some analysis now quickly. I'll run you guys through the analysis as well, and then okay. Let's put the chat here. We're selling. Are we to buying shots? I'm gonna do some analysis now. Salam's brother, how's it? Hi, bro. Salams, guys. All right, let's see what we're doing. All right. So normally what I do is I start off with my daily. I'll mark out what I see there. Of course, we can see dailies, I'm also heading towards buys as well, but I just want to see. Yeah, but no, this is not. I'll let you guys know if that's what actually I'm doing, because I can change as well. Okay, so I marked on my daily fair value gaps. I'll go on the 4 hour quickly. do the same thing. And see, we just rejected from this 4 hour. Basically, we failed to. This is my first indication we will be looking for buys because rejected from here. But this is from yesterday. Okay, rejected. We failed to invest this gap here. Right. We've also got this gap right here. Okay, and then lastly, of course, 1 hour and the 15 minutes. So I've got a 1 hour right here. Let me just type it out here. Okay, so you can see the 4 hours been marked out. Another 1 hour quickly. Still got this gap. It has not been filled as yet. So I'm just gonna mark this out. New week opening gap marked out also. So that's a new week opening gap that we've marked out there. Oh wait, let me just send all the links to Telegram quickly. Okay, perfect. Okay, now, yeah, so I was marking out this. It's 1 hour gap marked out there. Right, we've also got this, we're currently sitting in this 1 hour. And then anything below here, okay, so 15 minutes, and then that's 15 minutes, let's see. Okay, nothing much, right? So next thing I'm gonna do is I'll just mark out the lows and the highs of the day. So there's my low for the day. This was at 2 o'clock in the morning. Low of day. And I'll mark out my, let's make this a bit thicker. Right. So I'll preferably, okay, so the way it's looking now, actually I would look for sells. The way technically that it's looking, right now I would sell. I will not buy. I'm looking for sells, yeah. The way it's looking right now, I'm actually gonna would look for a sell rather than buys. So basically we're sitting at the low. If we come to the high reject here, I will look for a sell. So I'll go on the 5 minute now. I'll go on the lower time frame. Let's push this. There's nothing on the 1 minute that can give me an entry here. So I'm looking at sells. This is what I see technically from my strategy. Like I said, you don't have to follow my strategy. If you see buys, take your buys. You can take your buys, nothing wrong with that. But don't say I was gonna buy, but then Azim said sell, so I took Azim sell. I know the style. I know it goes. I know how you guys. Some of you guys act. If your strategy says buy, go buy. Don't follow me. Don't take my buy. Don't take the sell. No one's forcing you to take any sell. Okay, so that's your warning. If I'm telling you now, that's what I'm doing, right? But it might change in case we might have some crazy rejection, come back here and then market reverses, whatever. You are still sitting in this 1 hour gap here. So yeah, I just want to mark out the low of the day Baroque and the high. Sorry, I man. Just want to see if there's like something that I can enter off. So nothing on those on the 5 minute here. Okay, there is a fair value gap here. Oh, it's a massive fair value gap. This was yesterday. That's crazy. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna do that. It's a different color. And also, I don't follow. I don't really, look at Forex Factory and stuff like that. I've always looked at just pure technicals for my news trading, and I've had a fair bit of success with that. So I will stick to what I see. And also, if you look at 714 as well, this is another bit of confidence that you can use for those of you who trade 714. You've been buying this whole time, look for sells. That's another bit of confidence that you can use. But CPI buy, yes, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm actually seeing a sell here now. No, but this is news trading, by the way, so I could be wrong, I could be right. So off on my account quickly. Salam Marwan. My God, each of them is not loading up. I can't find my account. Okay, there we go. I'm a risk, let's say, I'm a risk of 2K. If this high gets breaken out, then okay, then I'm looking at buys. But if it rejects from continues to reject from here, I'm selling. I'm sorry, but I am gonna sell. If you reject from this block, basically, you'd say this is a rejection block, basically. It's not an 8+ rejection block, but I'd say that's a you count that. Okay, so it's breaking out from here. But if it rejects hard, we'll change bias if it has to break the high. Basically, I see this is like this basically support. This is support and this is the resistance. But see there, it just didn't reject. Okay, so if it closes above here, I'll look for buys. But if we continue to if we reject from here again, then I'm gonna buy. So right now, I'm not gonna do anything. HFM knows we're about to cash in. Yeah, so I wanna see closure below somewhere here or something. So we wait and see. So we have a slight breakout. Now we need to see a retest. So closure above here would basically confirm that we're gonna be selling. From my strategy, not anyone else's. So just be aware that this isn't just my stuff. Whatever I'm doing is up to me. So note that it's not financial business. It's a financial advice. Sorry, when I said business, what the flip? So either we're looking for sales here, or I'm gonna buy if we break above here. I'll only look for entry around quarter past. Also, then I'll be sure. But see, it rejected from that high. But another thing is, if we get price coming up to this point here, around here, I will actually look for buyers up, and then we can target that will be my targets. That's if price comes here. But I mean it can drop. I'm basically seeing if it drops about $15 in about half an hour. It's possible. It definitely is possible. You just gotta be patient. Don't rush your entries. Don't uh obviously I'm not gonna risk money that I'm not willing to lose. So I only made 2,000 rand today profit. So I'm only gonna risk 2,000 rand profit. I'm not risking capital or anything like that. I'm only gonna be risking profit. I hope you get direction right today. We don't trade. This is news trading, honestly. So anything can happen. It's like I will be honest with you. It is a bit like gambling. News trading. You can do as much analysis as possible, but like prediction is there. If we break above here, I'm buying. If it breaks below, I'm selling. Currently, we are selling, but if it comes here tell you now, if it does come here, somewhere here, so if it breaks somewhere here, then we're looking for buys. Sorry, it sold off from there. I should have actually got in there, but I don't normally enter very early, this early. Yes, I'm live every day. Just open 0.01s, bro. Let's see, Nasdaq. I don't normally trade news for Nasdaq, but I also like Nasdaq, like if you guys know I love Nasdaq. What's the time? Okay, I can do 5 minutes analysis quickly. Oh, 5 minutes to analyze this shit. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a lot of clump. Oh my days, I don't like this already. What's up? What I'm looking at, the price action looks shit. Okay, just mark up that. Does look like Nasdaq will buy though, simply because we above this fair value gap here. 4 hour quickly. Let's see quickly. What's up here? Okay, I would say Nasdaq. If you want, if you guys want to trade Nasdaq, I would recommend that. Okay, if I were to trade Nasdaq for news, I would buy. Basically, if I were to trade Nasdaq for news, I would buy. So I would buy Nasdaq, and I would, I think I'll. We also rejected from here, so Nasdaq, but maybe I might even trade Nasdaq myself, but I don't know if how good the movement will be. The buy looks not pretty good. If I mark out the high and low for the day, this is the low. There's your high there. This is Oh, Nasdaq's in a big clump, yeah. That's why I don't like really trading him because there isn't much, like, movement. Okay, Nasdaq is a buy, guys, I would say. I would buy Nasdaq. I would buy Nasdaq, but it's not I don't think it's a massive move, like 800 pip move there. Basically, Nasdaq is a buy. Gold, let's see how gold's looking quickly. I'm not telling anyone what to do. It's up to you what you want to do. I gave you the direction. I can't say I said Nasdaq will buy gold. I'm honestly, it's in the middle of this thing here, so now honestly it's suspect. I would say gold is currently a bit suspect. I ain't gonna lie. Gold is currently a bit sus. It did reject from here, so yeah. I actually don't know for gold. Nasdaq, I do have for one of the few times that I actually do have an idea of what I want to do for Nasdaq. I'll buy for Nasdaq. That's $19. Damn, 600 green so far. That's good. Oh, you actually entered that sell. Damn, that's good. I would recommend maybe securing, taking some profit or whatever. Don't know actually. I'm thinking Nasdaq. I'm actually thinking as Nasdaq. Gold. Okay, gold is coming back here. I'll just have to keep an eye on both. Let's just put both here on the chart here quickly. Actually, uncertain at this point. Wait, why is it not coming? What's it? Okay, so I had this 5-minute gap here. Oh, someone actually entered the cell. We in buys, we nothing. Is it? I don't think it'll be unused 30. Oh my days, used 30 looks ass. Nasdaq looks a bit better than USDT right now. I would say if you want to do Nasdaq, I would say suggest longs. If you want to trade gold, on the other hand, gold, I don't know. I would say I would still actually go sells. I don't think it's coming down. Yep. I also can't remember. I think we sold last time. So Nasdaq, you can sell, come and buy, gold sells. But contradictory kinda. Nasdaq, I don't know if anyone entered there, but you should be in profits. Gold, I didn't enter this. I'm thinking I'm gonna sell gold. I don't know actually. Best of luck, everyone. Yeah, so Nasdaq buys. It's a small buy though, so just be careful. But we'll wait for the last 10 minutes or so. Nasdaq buying Nasdaq and selling gold. That's what. Okay, it's selling again. I don't think so. Yeah, too. I don't think we're having a big move too. Yeah, it's selling there. Remember, I've said if it comes, yeah, I would buy. So just keep an eye on this. So currently it's in the middle of this range. That's a bit suspect. A good entry would have been up so much of profit right now. Your flip 80 pips already. Yeah. Oh, Nasdaq is buying already. Flip. Okay, we just have to wait and see. Still 7 minutes left. 7 minutes left. Nasdaq is buying. Damn, look at the Nasdaq, guys. I don't know anyone entered. Anyone entered? Let me know in the chat. Anyone entered? What you're saying? I'm saying sales. I'm waiting for it to come back here to this entry here, to right here. I'm waiting for it to come here. Then if it comes here, I'm buying. Okay, looks like it's coming there. If you break above, yeah, break above this point right here, I would look for buys. Gold, looking at selling gold. I think it's coming back. I think it's in a rejected year again. Nasdaq kind of played out already, so yo, that's a bit sus now. So Nasdaq, I will be a bit. I wouldn't like look to enter now, to be honest. Gold, on the other hand, I'm taking sells. Oh, this guy's took both the trades. Honestly, guys, I don't know what Nasdaq now. I thought Nasdaq was gonna be the better one, but it just bought. We have 3 minutes left. I'm thinking. I think I'm gonna go with the buy. Okay, so the overall trend is in the buy. I'm gonna buy. Yeah. So basically, we rejected this 5 minute, and we're in the trend here. So and then targets. I'll go target this. That's my target. I think we do close above here. Okay, final final thing. I'm looking at buying gold. I'm looking at buying gold, guys. I'm gonna buy gold. I will maybe enter a few positions the last 10 seconds only. I'll enter my trades last 10 seconds. Right. Daily IFEG on gold. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, so we buying gold. Right, guys, I'm buying gold. Hopefully, inshallah, let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best, right? So I see a bit of see also another thing is we're making the cup formation there. Right, I'm buying gold last minute. You can, if you want to enter now, you can. Just don't kill me if it doesn't go right. Okay, Nasdaq, I don't know what happened. Nasdaq just hit full TP, which is crazy. I just gave like a 700 per buy. Last 10 seconds. Won't go buy because it must close. Yeah, I'm buying gold. I am buying gold. I am buying gold. Let me just put this quickly on the gold VIP quickly. We have 20 seconds left. We're buying gold, guys. 17 seconds left. Right. I'm entering last 10 seconds. There we go. Yes! Let's go! CPI smash. Close, close, close. Bang! Bang! Let's go. Done. Done. Close. Close, close, close. Oh my days. What a CPI, guys. Yes, 5,000 pips. Boom. Close. CPI smashed. CPI smashed. Let's go. How did Nasdaq do? How did Nasdaq do? Nasdaq bought as well. Nasdaq bought as well. There we go. Nasdaq bought. I technically I gave you an entry all the way down there. Nasdaq bought. Gold bought. Let's go. CPI. We continue to cook. Guys, let me know how did it go? How did it go? I just made 15,000 rand, 13,000 rand of a 2,000 rand. Guys, I want you all to see this, right? Do you know how crazy this is? 1,790 rand deposit, and I've made 13,000 rand. You know how insane that is. Fucking hell, man. Flip. Smashed it, guys. We absolutely killed it. Killed it. Killed it. Killed it. So the reason why I changed my direction from south initially. So this was our, like I said, we were in the middle of this range, right? We were in the middle of this range, and then when I saw this rejection of the 5 minute, that was a indication, as well as the daily trend line was basically bullish. So CPI smashed over how many pips in profit here, and it hit our other previous target there, 6,000 pips, 600 pips basically, 600 pips, guys, and it's still going. It is still going. Imagine. Guys, send your profit 25K. Well done. Send your profits, guys. Send your profits on Profit Hub, guys. Yeah, it's fine. If you guys close too early, that's calm. This guy took 100. This guy send your profit on. It's still going up high. Just carry on buying and buying and buying. Yo, guys, make that withdrawals. Please go make that withdrawals now. Go make those withdrawals. 100 cent account. 100. This person took 100 to 1,000 rand. Imagine. Not enough capital. Wow, you should have opened a cent account, bro. This is why we love you, but likewise, guys. Danko CPI still going, currently up 7,000 points, 700 pips. What the flip, bro? What the flip is this? Yo, 400 to 2K. This is crazy results, guys. Send your results, guys. Send your results in. I want to see everyone. There's 47 of you in here. I want to see the results. Send it to Profit Hub. Send results. Send results. Send the results, guys. Send in your results. Send in your results, guys. Send your results. Results. GG's, guys. We done for the day. We done. We technically, most of you should be even done for the week, I would say. Like that's crazy. Yet again, we smashed CPI. I don't think we've had like a bad CPI this year. I've always cooked CPI. 1.5K to 2.2K, 22K. That's mad, bro. That's actually insane. $1,000 in profit SL locked on 900. Imagine, we called Nasdaq as well. We called the Nasdaq trade as well. That's crazy. I gave you all this sniper entry basically, and it went into like 700 pips profit. So I gave you all both Nasdaq and I gave you all gold. US 30. That's about the same. But yeah, guys, I'm in the live. We chopped. GG's.